What up guys, it is Tool Guy Y, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do an oil change on a 2003 Volkswagen Eurovan. Alright, so these are some of the things that are required for you to have when completing this job. Make sure you drain the oil pan and not the trans pan. The trans pan is located on the driver's side while the engine oil pan is located on the passenger side. Once the car is jacked up, we're going to start by taking off the oil drain plug using our 18mm wrench. While removing the drain plug, make sure that sealing washer comes off with the drain plug and they come off together. That sealing washer prevents oil leaks out of the drain plug. Once loosened, remove drain plug and drain oil into your catch can. While the oil is draining, now is a good time to inspect your sealing washer for any deformities and clean off your drain plug and sealing washer with a can of brake clean. Replace sealing washer if necessary. Once the oil is drained, reinstall a drain plug. I recommend threading the drain plug in a couple turns by hand first before finishing off with a ratchet or wrench. Make sure that drain plug is snug. It's always a good habit to have to clean that leftover residue to make sure you don't mistake it as an oil leak. Next, take your 6mm socket and loosen the drain plug out of the oil filter housing and drain all the oil. Your new filter should come with two O-rings. The small O-ring is for the oil filter drain plug. Replace that and reinstall. Thread in by hand and tighten till it's snug. For this job, I will be using the AVN oil filter cap wrench metric 7-piece socket set. I will be using the 36mm size to remove the oil filter. If you guys don't have a set, I'll put a link in the description below. Attach that 36mm oil filter cap socket on a 3/8 ratchet, and we'll use that to loosen the oil filter out of the oil filter housing. Once it's loose, remove by hand and drain oil. Once it's removed, remove the oil cap O-ring and replace. When installing the new oil filter and old cap, remember to always lube up that O-ring with old oil. That way, when installing, the new O-ring does not snap. I recommend tightening down the oil filter cap by hand first and finishing off with the 3/8 ratchet and your oil filter 36mm cap. Once again, we'll take that can of brake clean and clean off all oil residue to make sure we don't mistake it as an oil leak. This right here would be your engine oil type and capacity for your Volkswagen Eurovan. Next, remove your oil cap located next to your coolant expansion tank and add your funnel. In this video, I will be using the Lisle Corporation Multi App multi-purpose oil funnel, which helps keep your oil changes clean and spill free. Next, we're going to take our 5.7 quarts of 5W40 oil and fill that through our funnel. Once everything's filled up, remove your funnel and reinstall your oil filler cap. Congratulations guys, you now know how to do an oil change on a 2003 Volkswagen Eurovan. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys found this video informative. Please like and subscribe for more how-to and tool review videos. Tool Guy Y out.